Greetings! Do you too have trouble sleeping for the holidays? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Meet the American Bullfrog. Oh, here he comes. Named as so because of their calls sounding very similar to a bellowing bull, as here. They call reaching over 90 decibels. This is the equivalent of sleeping with a running lawnmower, making this the perfect pet to have if you don't want to sleep and you don't want your families or neighbors to sleep. Happy holidays from Michigan Aquatics. Fish on.